In this video, I will show you how to make your Twitter account professional. Now, the first thing is to tap your profile photo above here and go to professional tools. The next thing is to start setting up your professional account under Twitter for Professionals. And as you can see, you need first to agree to the policy of a professional account. Then go on to select a category that describes your account. And on this next screen, you can select in between a business professional account and a creator professional account depending on your profession, and your Twitter professional account will be ready. And after creating your professional account, you can go on to customize your profile and explore profile spotlights, where you can also switch your account. You can also use your professional account to pick topics to follow, make more connections, and promote your tweets. Other Twitter professional tools that you can set up include Twitter ads and monetization. And to switch your professional account back to a personal account, you need to go to edit profile, then edit professional account down here, and go on to switch your account to a personal one. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Twitter and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.